This trailblazing 1977 FJ43 is one of the toughest and most capable SUVs ever built. A rare medium wheelbase Land Cruiser that presents a better-than-factory appearance, the truck benefited from a detailed body-off restoration. Solid metal was stripped bare, resprayed in Dune Beige pigment, and shrouded in a fresh canvas roof. And presently, that rhino-inspired shell creates a classy wet-look profile that mixes searing glares with smooth reflections. A spacious and restored cockpit has enough room to be your vehicle of choice for any weekend adventure. And mechanically, this FJ exemplifies that top-notch restoration with a correct Type F engine, which wears a familiar 2F assembly stamp. Because the extended FJ43 was never officially sold in the US market, this lovingly restored SUV is a highly desirable classic that headlines an increasingly popular segment of the collector car market. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.